Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of Windows 10, and I'll guide you through the simple process of activating your Windows 10 operating system by entering your product key. If you've been bothered by that pesky Activate Windows 10 watermark in the bottom right of your screen, stick around, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make it disappear. And if you find this video useful, a thumbs up and a subscribe would be greatly appreciated. It really goes a long way in supporting the channel. Alright, let's jump right in. To kick things off, head down to the Windows Start button. Give it a click, and in the search bar, type Activation Settings. The best match should be Activation Settings under the System Settings. Click on that, and we're ready to roll. Once you're in the Activation Settings, take a quick glance at the top to check your activation status. This will let you know whether your Windows 10 license is activated or not. Now, let's move on to the next step. To enter your product key, scroll down and look for the option Change Product Key. Click on that, and a window will pop up prompting you to enter your Windows 10 product key. Type it in and hit Next. Follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be on your way to a watermark-free Windows 10 experience. Feeling lost about where to find your Windows 10 product key? No worries. In the top right corner, you'll find two handy options: get more information about activation and find your product key. Clicking on these will provide you with the information you need, guiding you on where to locate your product key based on how you obtained Windows 10. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to activate Windows 10 and bid farewell to that Activate Windows 10 watermark. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. For more Windows 10 tips and tutorials, check out the links in the description. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.